Brought to you by SAP. SAP helps companies run like never before. Learn more by visiting us online.
Video streaming is subtly different to what other people call video conferencing. Video streaming is all about delivering video to large numbers of people, regardless of where they are, in a way which is one to many. It isn't about having a conversation between two people, it's about a conversation between one event or one person to a very large number of people in disparate locations on disparate devices, and being able to deliver an audio, video and content-rich message that can be viewed much like watching TV.
Zoom is an online video service that allows you to deliver live video to a large number of people, encouraging individuals to be content creators without worrying about technological challenges.
Zoom is YouTube on steroids, dedicated to your large organization. It's a software platform that enables you to create, manage, and deliver and distribute video, whether it's live or on demand, i.e. recorded video.
Zoom is effectively a dedicated YouTube on steroids for your large organization. And what I mean by that is YouTube effectively is an internet-based site. It is meant for everybody. It isn't dedicated to your organization. And Zoom allows you to deliver recorded videos to a very large number of students if you're an academic institute, your staff and your customers if you're a corporate organization or government, and have them consume the content of the videos wherever they are on any device. But more importantly, and a huge difference from YouTube, is that it allows you to deliver live events, whether that's a team of 30 people watching their boss deliver a speech, or the entire organization wanting to watch the chief executive officer deliver their financial results. It is about empowering individuals to become content creators without the worry of technology.
This software allows interaction and collaboration in real time from anywhere in the world.
It's less a consumer product in very much more a higher education student type focused product, and an enterprise product where people have a massive requirement to train and educate people. So the ability for you to deliver training to people that are present, but also have many thousands of people taking advantage of that training by not being physically present at that location at the same time, and still have a collaborative experience amongst themselves and simultaneously be able to ask you questions and answer the questions that you've posed to them, means that the general environment in which we work and learn can be uplifted by using technology.
It's changing the life of students in one of our customers, the University of KwaZulu-Natal, who's decided to deploy and issue 7-inch tablet mobile devices to all of their 40,000 students. And those students will be able to watch their lectures wherever they are, pause the lecture, rewind the lecture, answer questions, pose questions to the instructor, re-watch the lectures when they want to when it's approaching exam time, have comments and collaborate with other students. Students may add additional URLs to additional material that you'd want to maybe take value from, and also answer pre-examination test questions to make sure that you're really at the right point in your course progress to be moving on to the next module. Have I learnt enough from this module to then know enough to move on to the next?
As network bandwidth is normally a concern for anybody looking at video streaming, Disruptive Vision has come up with a three-pronged approach to address the problem.
One is heuristic adaptability, so ensuring that the type of bits and the amount of data that we're sending and the quality of the video that we're sending to a viewer is absolutely in line with that viewer's network availability, the size of the screen that they're watching it on, and the age of the device. What that means to you as a user is if you've got an older PC that really can't play super high definition, why are we sending him a video that can't be played in high definition? If the network isn't sufficient for him to watch a high quality video, let's lower the quality, send him less data, and have it play instantly, start straight away, and you can jump to the sections you want straight away. And when the network is more available, maybe somebody has stopped downloading things in the same home or the same office, and there's far more bandwidth available, we'll automatically raise the quality and drop the quality again.
The Zoom solution is also aware of the issue of security and privacy.
Not only is it important to make sure that the person that is going to watch your video is the person that you wanted to watch your video, and we know that traditionally with usernames and passwords, and we know that person who they say they are. But security goes a step further. What if that person is watching that video and they locally store it onto their machine because they want to watch it when they're not connected to the internet, maybe when they're at home in a rural location? What happens if that video is then, their device is stolen, or the video is being copied onto a USB stick and passed on to other people? How do we protect that video after it has reached the user? Maybe when it gets into the wrong hands. And encryption ensures that that video is protected, and the only way to effectively, the video is locked and it's converted into something that is unreadable until you provide some more information to prove that you are the person who was meant to watch the video, at which point the key unlocks the video and you're able to consume it.
Disruptive Vision believes that Zoom will seriously advance video streaming as technology changes dramatically.
I believe that there's going to be a real merger between video conferencing and video streaming, such that many video streaming, certainly from a Zoom perspective, will have no choice but to have a little foray into the video conferencing space. I believe that the disruptive innovation that's taken place in streaming by Disruptive Vision is the kind of mindset that is needed in the video conferencing space. And I look forward to that, as we'll see that closer mesh between the two. I believe that fundamentally the use case scenarios of video are going to dramatically change the way that we go about and do anything.